It'll happen.
So like it affects you so much, right? The fact that he's a
Where are we?
San Jose.
San Jose. In Vegas,
7 times.
7 times. 3, 2, 1, go. कच्चा पापड़ पक्का पापड़, कच्चा पापड़ पक्का पापड़. This is no pandemic. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today's vlog is gonna be another fun vlog. I'm meeting my friends and same friends who I met like last time, Madhu and Shravani. We are planning to go to San Jose, but not sure where exactly in San Jose because Madhu apparently has some surprise for us. So let's see where are we going. But I thought to take you all with me.
Hi.
And who is he, Shravani? Who is Ravi? Oh my god. Hi Ravi, how are you?
Hey Swati, I'm fine. How are you?
You can open the
I think we just talked about it. We are just asking how are you for the formality. Wow, what a couple. Hi Ajay.
Hello. कैसे हो?
Good. आप कैसे हो?
Ravi, you want to sit in the front?
Hi,
There is no
Madhu and
space out
Shravani again. So nobody knows what the surprise is. Only Madhu knows.
After reaching Fremont, don't put.
Oh my god.
Things a big surprise and all, but this interested me so much. So I thought it
Yes.
could be.
You're actually say, "Arey, Elias, now where are you going?" And no, I'm going to feel the surprise.
Viewers too, right?
Yeah.
All your fans,
Just 19 minutes away.
all your subscribers.
What is your channel?
Thanks, Ravi.
Likes too.
Oh god.
Swati coming.
Shravani.
Subscribe.
Oh my god. I captured you, Ravi Sharma's picture, recent picture. I was like, what the hell?
I know what a
Like, my tummy is bigger than after eating extra half chapati. Seriously.
I mean, she looks normal.
She doesn't look like she delivered. So, we are just 8 minutes
It's
away.
like the older one or the
Finally, we are there. Look at him. But still not aware we are.
860. Where is 860?
There it is. Madhu, step back.
That is so
Bus was crossing.
Oh, you.
Wear your mask, guys. It's pandemic. Shravani, are you ready for the surprise?
The surprise is?
Not sure. It's 860 for sure. I don't know beyond that. What if it's closed?
463.
See, they say smile, you're on camera. It's break stuff, not breaking the glass. So this is a place. Oh my god, I hope it's open. It is open. Sorry, no public restroom. That's fine.
Just relief demolition center.
First person going to kick it open the door.
Okay.
All right, closer to the stairs, everybody. Don't.
Hi.
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 Hey, what's up?
Good.
I'm gonna take off my goggles.
Jump over that
Yaar, is
room.
it a
You got
scary
everything all
place
set
or
up. We have
something?
a closet too for all your loose belongings.
Madhu, I'm scared of ghosts and all.
All
Quite.
right, guys. Let's go ahead and whatever you guys don't want to have potentially broken.
That's quite scary.
Your head, yeah. You can take your head off. You can take your head
I
off.
don't want to break my head. I think.
Yeah. No helmets. You'll be okay.
Is it scary?
It really depends, sweetheart, on who you're in here with and who you're breaking stuff, and everybody is different.
This
You know
girl
what I mean?
has brought us
I
here.
don't know who you guys are in here with. Hopefully, you know each other really well. You know.
Yeah, we do, but not.
have to throw it at the walls.
We'll get all. to
Not
that.
at each
Once we
other.
get everybody's. You want to put your purse in there, and your
Inside.
Yeah.
Inside?
Yeah.
Okay.
Pop it in there, and then I'll go.
Make
over the
it-
rules.
Madhu,
I'm doing it.
my. Go ahead.
This is for 2020 pandemic.
Ajay, oh Ravi, sorry. This is for.
all the people who got married.
Oh, Ajay. Ravi, can I have that?
It's very heavy.
Heavy? Yeah.
This is for New Life.
Scary surprise.
Scariest
Surprise.
Thanks, Madhu.
Thank you, Madhu.
We are bursting our stress by dancing. Shravani, हम डांस नहीं करते, हम डांस करते। Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome, guys. You all had fun?
Yeah, we did. I think we bursted all our stress.
Okay, there you go. You have to tag me on what you guys post online.
I'll take it.
Yeah, that's fine.
Thank you.
Paying me
You're coming.
I think credit, right?
Eluja.
Okay.
No, so anyway.
When you go back to this am I. Yeah, I had a whole bunch of all the tech companies
Break the
coming through here.
star.
Corporate stuff definitely needs this.
I don't think they will come here.
No, open pay.
Did you guys like it?
Okay, so what is your zip code?
It's good.
Really?
Yeah.
It was scary. Yeah.
Yeah. Can I still continue breaking your
There
phone?
you go.
No, it's
Sign
not.
for me right there.
I just complimented you being a good subscriber. So this is our dinner place. Proper insult, yeah. I thought there is a glass. Yeah, my head is literally spinning. Yeah, why did? Why she didn't give us any bhav? Huh? Why she didn't give us any bhav?
Let's go and ask.
I am going to capture her dog.
There was a food in there. So we both got excited.
And we said hi. And that owner didn't give us bhav.
She just
No, I don't.
ignored her. Ignored me.
She doesn't know that we work in Denver. We are such a great.
I know.
Look at that. बच्चे की माँ बनने वाली. क्यों?
I've looked at it already. You see. Where?
Oh God. There.
Indian movie dialogues. Amitabh Bachchan.
Yeah.
You see
So
written San Jose.
so guys, where are we?
San
San Jose.
San Jose.
Then Vada Pav, the Bombay Maggi noodles.
There is something called Naughty Naan.
Pav Bhaji or what?
Pav Bhaji is a good option. I have tried Pav Bhaji from Curry Up in Oakland, and that was pretty good.
Okay, let's try.
Vada Pav and Pav Bhaji.
हम सोए रहे एक चादर में.
Yeah, we can share that. Yeah.
No, there are sweet snacks. No.
We'll order one. Oh, ignore that. Oh, ignore that.
Ayyo. No, that's not the menu.
प्यासी हूँ मुझे भर ले अपनी in Vegas this girl was something else actually. Right now she is Pativrata.
Deluxe is not there.
Middle one. So that we can Shravani.
Bigger, high one for this one.
Yeah, even I wanted high one, but that That is very small. That's small actually. Grab more chairs.
One is enough for you.
Huh?
1 meter is good enough.
Yeah, because we have like 3 hot girls. I think it should be enough. Okay, one more chair.
This is different level. It's okay. We have 3 hot girls. This is like 3 hot balls. Basically, gulab jamun with ice cream.
Okay.
She
She told everyone to get jacket and she herself got.
I'm confirming, like, hoodie is required or just jacket is also fine.
There will be at least one member in the gang who will actually plan the trip, but he will not show up.
That's true. I don't think she's that in that.
No, not way, but she was so
No,
excited and
not excited. I was
Occupied.
occupied with
Occupied.
Togo. I had to take everything for him.
occupied, and she was also making sure that we'll enjoy the.
Pretty good now, guys. It's pretty good.
I need some ginger.
Oh, you're doing diet?
No.
I wanted to
You
have
can't do
a
that,
soup.
Madhu.
Only alcoholic diet.
I broke my diet.
Completely agree. I was actually looking forward to their drinks. I love their old monk and all that.
Kind of a.
Enthusiastic subscriber.
We are having vada paws. Okay, that's spicy. It counts in the diet. My world.
Old school world.
Yeah, old school world.
Old school vada.
Madhu, you're so obsessed with balls now. I can't really. Well, request.
No, please.
Okay.
The picture that we took on there. Come, give it.
Say something good.
About Swati.
Of course.
Swati is,
You're a cutie. Hi.
yeah, she's a cutie pie.
Okay, I'll send you the photos. That's it.
Nothing
So this is going to be a spontaneous challenge. You have to say kacha papad, pakka papad 10 times.
Kacha papad, pakka.
Go.
That is so important.
Okay, 2 more chances.
Kacha papad, pakka papad, right?
Yeah.
Kacha papad, pakka papad. Kacha papad, pakka papad. Kacha papad, pakka papad. Kacha papad, pakka papad. Kacha papad.
4 times. Okay, 4 times. Now Shravani, it's you.
What?
You have to say kacha papad, pakka.
Okay,
You have to
just
say it
add
10
papad.
times.
That doesn't matter.
Say it.
Kacha papad, pakka papad.
Don't say kacha. It's kacha.
Kacha.
Kacha means something else in Hindi.
Kacha.
It's like yeah, it is in Hindi.
I'm weak in Hindi.
You are
Okay.
weak, I am under the...
Then say kacha papad, but you speak very nice Hindi.
Yeah, better. Okay.
Okay, go ahead. Yeah.
Kacha papad, pakka papad, 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 kacha papad, pakka. 7 times.
7 times. 3, 2, 1, go. Kacha papad, pakka papad, 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 kacha papad, pakka papad.
She practiced and
No, I didn't. I swear I did.
What did you say?
Wait. I used to do this in my childhood. So we just played a challenge in which you have to say kacha papad, pakka papad 10 times. For now, I am the winner, but let's see who performs better than me. Go ahead, Ravi.
Hi, Swati.
Ravi, this is a challenge.
Kacha papad,
Pakka papad.
pakka papad.
Yeah, 10 times.
Papad, pakka papad. Kacha papad, pakka papad.
3 times. Okay, 2.
then 7 times.
Okay, so 2, 4, 7, 10.
You are
Because
not counted only.
yeah, I'm not counting myself.
You are the
Okay, because I am a
The
pro.
vlogger.
Okay, what do I have to say?
Kacha papad, pakka papad.
You say kacha papad, I'll say pakka papad. Yeah, we can do that.
Oh wow, you say kacha, she'll say pakka, then kacha.
Who will
Sorry,
say papad then?
it's
Pakka
messy.
papad.
I'll say papad.
Kacha papad, papad.
Pakka no, pakka.
Hey, okay.
Okay,
One
go
challenge
ahead.
for you. Let's see.
Because I'm not having that ball. Okay, moving on. Ajay, I'm confused between these names. Okay, go ahead. Your time starts now.
Kacha papad, pakka papad. 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 Kacha papad, pakka papad.
No.
Pakka papad. Kacha papad, pakka papad. Kacha papad, pakka papad.
Wait, one more time.
Okay, you do.
One more
This is my
attempt.
challenge. Today for now.
What? What is the challenge?
Okay, put your phone down.
No, first show us na.
You have to do this.
Kacha papad,
And then this.
pakka papad. Okay.
And that here.
Hot balls nice?
Yeah.
There you go.
Yeah. Yay! Hot balls, Madhu, especially for you.
Okay, ready. Wait. She's
Yeah,
doing
hot balls, right?
Hello, ready?
Yeah, ready.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, start.
Wow. Oh my God, what was that?
Wait, no.
Yes. Good. Once you get the
ऐसा लगता है ना, feels like we are hurt.
time. Take a spoon.
I was able to do it now.
Come on. Yes.
Hey, good.
You got it.
Kacha papad, pakka papad. So guys, we just finished our dinner. Now we'll be heading back home. How was the overall experience, guys?
Amazing.
Like, share and subscribe.
Thanks, Madhu.
Subscribe.
Subscribe. Please subscribe. So it was fun, guys. It was fun for me meeting Ravi for the first time.
First time, huh?
Yeah, first time.
Why? You already visited our home, right? So
Oh yeah, meeting you for the
When you
second
guys-
time when
yeah, when you
we
guys-
went to Vegas.
the Vegas.
Yeah, he wasn't. Today I came across his flat face sense of humor. Oh my God, that was hilarious.
That
Oh,
day, I
hope you
think
liked
we
it.
were in a rush
I
to go to
did.
airport.
Huh?
That day we were in a
Yeah,
rush
we
to
were
go
in
to
rush to
airport.
go to airport. Okay, guys, here we are signing off.
Bye.
Bye.
Share, comment, and subscribe.
Subscribe.
Yay.
Subscribe.
Thank you, guys.